me check my voice is audible. Okay, so my voice was audible. Cut. Let me give a quick detailed description about today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about the HTML. We are going to set up our HTML first page by using the HTML tags and attributes and something, and then we are going to use element tags and something, text formatting, links, and image processing lists. So basically this was about our HTML beginner foundation level. So let's dive deep into our HTML format. So I have created a folder named YT, and in here we are going to start our first HTML session. So session 1.html. And here we are going to just main. I will briefly give you a detailed description about HTML. In HTML, we are going to use this tag as foreign shortcut, and then we are going to name it uh, our page name as HTML page, and then h1 allow bold. By using the live server, we are going to check our output of this HTML page. So I definitely able to see the HTML world output, and let me give a detailed screen. In here we are going to start our HTML basics. So at first we are going to check HTML head tag body. This head tag is used to uh, import tailwind, import external CSS links and JavaScript, and also main the body. The main title tag is used to give us a detailed description about our title, and then we are going to use this body tag to quickly display our content where we are going to type our things. And this was our output. In HTML tags we have h1, h2, h6, and then I think we just need to get discussed. So today's HTML notes was to describe what is HTML fundamentals, and then presentation overview graphics. This thing was not okay. What is HTML? So HTML is an hypertext markup language, which is used to give us a detailed overview. HTML pyramid in the web development stack. Let me give you a detailed description. This makes in here we can able to see our front-end applications, back-end databases, and DevOps and mobile app. So at first, in the place of front-end, this HTML only plays a major crucial role. So the HTML is the basic foundation of today's modern web development and web technology. So I definitely suggest you to learn HTML at first and then go into CSS and something, man stack, something like that. and React.js, which is components and something like that, Node.js backend integration, developer environment, and then database. So I definitely suggest you to look into this HTML structures. So describe content, not styling CSS. Okay. Content in CSS. Okay, here the content refers to text, images, videos, audio, and interactive elements. Something like text, which is mainly known as uh, H1, H2, H3, and IM. That was text tag. And then in images, we are going to use this photos, illustrations, graphics, and something. Whereas videos, we are going to import the video by using uh, video SRC, and audio also. This this plays a major role in the HTML forms, buttons, and widgets that allow users to interact in different ways of environment. So let me give us and then role in HTML CSS. I have discussed that, and why learn HTML CSS. If you want to become a full stack web dev, then you definitely need to learn this HTML CSS. And then tools. As for the tools, I can definitely say that use VS Code or uh, Firebase, this Firebase Studio, and basic structure of HTML. I have told that root element, which is this HTML main tag, and then head, which is used to title, and links, body, which was our content. So in this right now session 2, HTML tags. Uh, by using different types of tags, we can able to simplify the HTML attributes and headings. So let me give this as explanation. In here we are going to take paragraph tag. There we are going to use streng strong of hello world. And here we can able to see the same but in different way. If I just add an paragraph tag and then type hello world, there we can able to see the basic difference. This was simply somewhat light, and this was very dark, and this was very thick. So this strong type of things is used in the HTML. And HTML attributes, global class. Okay, first we are going to create a div, that was which is known as container, and there we are going to specify value, and that value name, what value, I think so, class, and that class name was divisor. And then let me style 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 equal to background color blue, fine, blue, fine. Then h3 will be fine. My thoughts are endless. We are going to save this thing, and we are going to just see. Here we can able to see our HTML So this